In front of me is Honor Pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app that's already on your device. Then hit Alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right one to create a new one. Now it's time to adjust it however you wish to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on Repeat and pick days of the week. To save them, hit OK. When you finished, hit Sound. Click on Music on device to tap on any song from your tablet and set it up as your new alarm clock one. Or pick one of those. Go back again and tap on Label to name your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then OK to save its name. Tap on Ring Duration to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react to it. And Snooze Duration to decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat by operating those two sliders. Hit OK one more time, and finally, to save your brand new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it and tap on one of those options in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, change whatever you want to, and to discard your changes, hit this X. To save them, tap on the check mark again. To delete your alarm clock completely, click on the chosen one and use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!